Hello, friends. So we're going to have a look at the characters in the new Disney movie, Wish. Let's open up this print right here. Who's who? Write each character's name. And we have Bazima, Dahlia, Asha, Hal, Dario, King Magnifico, Queen Amaya, Gabo, Simon, Valentino, and Safi. Let's begin. Well, first of all, the main character is this girl right here. Her name is Asha. Let's write Asha underneath her picture. Asha is A S H A. Asha. You can find it right up here. If you're not sure, you can copy this. And Asha's pet is a little lamb named Valentino. Here is Valentino. We're going to copy this down here. Valentino. V A L E N T I N O. Valentino. ちょっと長いね。書けたかな? Valentino. All right. And this girl here is Asha's very good friend, Dahlia. Dahlia is here. This is Dahlia. Let's copy it and write it down here. D. D, I'll tighten that up a bit. There we go. D. A. H. L. I. A. There we have it. Dahlia. We have Asha, Valentino, Dahlia. This guy right here is King Magnifico. Well, here, we'll cross out Dahlia because we finished. King Magnifico. This is a long one. ちょっと長いからなるべく小さく書きましょうね。King Magnifico. K I N. When you write the G, make sure you write it below the line. こうやってはみ出すね。King Magnifico. Capital M A G N I. ちょっとはみ出ちゃうけどいいわ。F I C O. Okay, his name is a little bit long. ちょっと長いからはみ出ても大丈夫です。And down here, this man here, his name is Safi. Let's cross out King Magnifico, and we're going to write Safi. Safi is a short name. It should fit easily. S A F I. There we go. Safi. Safi. Okay. And this boy here, his name is Dario. Dario is D A R I O. Dario. Now remember, 人の名前だからね。必ず最初の文字は大文字ね。First letter is always going to be a big one. And this young lady here, her name is Hal. H A L. Hal. Very short name. Easy. All right, we're almost there. We have 4 more to go. This boy's name is Gabo. Gabo. Here we go. G, capital G. A, B, O, Gabo. All right, let's find Gabo. Gabo. Okay, 3 more. This girl's name is Bazima. Bazima. This is Bazima. 書き写してね. Here we go. Bazima. Capital B, A, Z, E, E, M, and another A. Bazima. Okay, we've got Bazima. Only 2 more. This young man, his name is Simon. Simon is spelled S-I-M-O-N. Simon. Okay. And who do you suppose this might be? 誰かな? Well, she looks like a queen to me. That's right. She is Queen Amaya. Queen Amaya. これも長いから、できるだけね、小さく書きましょう。Queen Amaya. Q, U, E, oops, もうちょっときれいに書こう。E, E, N, A, M, A, Y, A. Queen Amaya. And there we have all of the characters, the main characters from Disney's brand new movie, Wish, which we're going to enjoy watching together. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.